Hello, good afternoon. My name is Ana Garcia and we'll start with a new basic trades seminar for stock forex. If you've got any questions, you can write it and I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. What you see on the screen is Metatrader platform. It's active in real time. We have already seen in our trading account. Here you can see the quotes are moving. The connection bar are green and blue. And also the numbers of our connection speed are moving up and down. This is connected to our database, to our server. If you can see it, you'll try to click on login and put your login and password. Also, you must select our server depending on the account that you have to start. Practice or live. Also, if you have more than one account, you can change it because it's very easy. Okay, first of all, we know that Metatrader can operate with CFDs and Forex. And CFDs, it's that we are operating. It's a contract for difference. It means that it's a contract between two parts which exchange the difference between the enter price and exit price. So the result, the gains and losses derived from the difference of the price that they have been bought and the price that they have been sold is it. So don't forget that CFDs are leverage products. It's essential. Involve great advantages and risk. The leverage allows you to have an opposition or an active disturbance to all of the cost. It's a form of deferred credit to negotiate with money broker. For example, oil has a leverage of 100/1. If we've got 1,000 euros in our account, it's equivalent to have 100,000 euros in it. If it's up 2%, we'll win 2,000 euros. Showing the opportunities that this will give us. Obviously, you need to know how to use stop loss because also you can lose. But always you have to put stop loss with small losses because the account will grow. Okay, we have to see some of the advantages of working with this product. Also, I remember you that if you've got any questions, you can write it. Let's start to see all the options Metatrader gives us. In my opinion, one of the best to use. On the top, you can see 7 tabs. There are File. Here we can see a new menu with some options to open a new session in our account. Open new chart, open offline, open deleted, close, save as a picture, and also print our screen to study the charts and trends, to analyze guidelines and apply it in the future. The next tab is View. Here you can change the language of the platform. Marketwatch. It's one of the most important parts of the platform, where we can see all the symbols and tools that Metatrader gives us to operate. In this menu, also we have the status bar and chats bar inactive. I advise you that it's very useful to active all of toolbars to have all the options that can have in the platform. Here I need to focus in bar of terminal, because it shows you all the positions that we can open with the characteristics, especially trade and account story. If you click on trade, we can find our balance and orders, that the time that we open it, type, size, that which is to operate, for example, or symbol, the market that we had to chosen, price, that we open the order, stop loss and take profit, if we put it, and finally the profit, benefits that we are generating. If we close the position, we can see a cross to the next profit, and it sends automatically the order to the close account historical. Okay, let's see the next tab, that is Insert. In this menu we can see some indicators that we will see in sequence seminars. This is only a basic MetaTraders tutorial. If you want to get more information about it, you can see another more advanced webinar later. Metatrader is one of the most important professional platforms, and you can find it because it's very easy. Charts. In this part, we can see a list of indicators of these charts. Lines and indicators. And below, one option to see our charts with bars, candlesticks or lines. I can recommend you candlesticks because they are very complete and give you more information than the others. Also, we can find foreground chart with the price in real time, time frames that we can choose depending on our strategy, 1 minute, 15 minutes, 4 hours, weekly. Template to personalize your charts. Here we can create one and save it to use it in other moments. Grid to separate the candles. Volumes in case we want to have them. Another possibilities like auto scroll, chat shift, zoom in and out, step by step, and finally properties to change the color of your charts. But also all of the options have the icon here on the top of your charts to use it faster and directly. The next tab is Tools. Here the main is the option of New Order that opens the menu to operate. We can also press the button F9 of the keyboard or use the icons. When we finish explaining, we will go back to this tab to try to open a position. Window. They propose us different distributions to the chart in case have more than one open and we want to see all of them in the screen. The platform advises you in case you want to distribute them until windows, cascade, tile horizontally, time vertically, and already finally, if you want to consult something here, have the top up help. Until here, as you see, the platform is very intuitive, very professional. It can seem something complex, but it's not it. Everything is question of practice. We move now to the icons that we have under the tabs. We could see the fix, and it's exactly the same that we have into the tabs. For example, first button is New Chart. Exactly the same that we did from File. And also in other cases like Marketwatch, Terminal, New Order, etc. Then open Marketwatch. If it is the first time that you open the platform, you need to select one of the symbols and click with the right button of your mouse to have Show All. Now we see that the list increase and appear all the symbols in markets in which we can operate and take out his charts. I advise you that if you want to open an order, always you can use one-click trading to operate directly to market. If you haven't got in an active, use the right button of your mouse and click Start to select one-click trader. I advise you and insist in that. Then here you can find the volume, and it goes from 0.01 microlots until 8 lots depending on the time of the investor. They are the money that have available in our account. Depending on the security that have in an operation, we'll be able to go in more or less. This is another adventure of Metatrader for one who has a small account. Has product focus for all type of investor. Here we have opened a chart of IBEX 35, and with the one-click trade done, we could operate directly to market. Now that is CFDs product that allows you to trade them in long and in short. This is a big competitive adventure because in short, this is a lot of money. When panic or fear appear in markets, the falls are more violent, stronger than the rises. The fear doesn't us sell much faster than buy, so we have to take adventure and negotiate to the drop. It is used to buy cheap and sell expensive, but with CFDs we can sell expensive and buy cheap. We can trade or not, but the fact to have the opportunity is a big adventure. Then, with one-click trader, directly to the market, but also exists another option to operate with pending orders limited. You can find it in New Order, Type, and select Pending Order. Here we can leave an order program changing the type. Buy limit is a pending order underneath of the price to buy, or buy stop along above the price of buy. Possibilities to buy upward. Like this we can program them to sell limit under the price sell, or sell stop above the price of sell. If we put some and it doesn't like us, as we deleted it before it executes. The big adventure of this platform is that you can trade directly from the chart. It's very comfortable and visual because we can operate in ways that the chart is saying to us. Metatrader is a professional platform, but at the same time it's very simple, intuitive and fast, for not to lose movement or possibilities that we can trading. And that's all. We have more time, so we are going to close the webinar. If you want to assist to another webinar, speak with your agent that configure your schedules. If you don't have any agent yet, then write to the phone here and an expert could you answer more questions, as some of you have done. It has been a pleasure to be with you. I wish you have a good day and welcome to Stock Forex. And see us in next tutorial or social networks like Twitter or Facebook. Thank you very much. Anna from Stock Forex. Bye.